Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading Chrome Music Lab and picking Songmaker as your canvas. Click Measure Length and Tempo first so the structure is fixed. This makes later edits predictable. Next, select your instruments and scale so harmonic choices are limited. That reduces trial and error. Once done, map a simple rhythmic grid with a snare or clap placeholder and lay a one-bar bass pattern using low pitches. This creates the foundation you will build on in the next steps. Now you program the Espresso character. Place tight hi-hat ticks and a short hiss-like percussive motif to mimic machine accents. Then enter a bass line that uses 1/8 and dotted rhythms to push forward. This gives a pumping feel. Layer a 2-bar melody in the mid-register that answers the bass. Repeat it with small pitch or rhythm changes to create interest. Make sure to use rests for space, and adjust velocity or volume to emphasize the first beat of each. Finish by balancing volumes and panning so the espresso elements cut through. Boost the hiss or click if it gets lost. Once done, loop sections and listen for timing drift. Quantize lightly only where human feel is not needed, because over-quantizing kills groove. Export as WAV or MP3 or record system audio if you need a single file. If something sounds off, mute tracks one at a time to isolate the problem. Often the issue is overlapping frequencies, so EQ or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.